In this video, I'm going to show you how we made $245 promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, so I made this commission just using free traffic from Pinterest promoting affiliate links. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you how I made this commission, as you can see over here. Okay, and as you can see in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money. It's paid, as you can see over here. $245 was paid. They sent this money to my PayPal account. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you my strategy that I use to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to Google. Okay, and you're gonna search for Fiverr. Okay, you will click on the first link over here. Okay, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. It's really easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page. So you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you need to do is you need to sign up to this affiliate website. Okay, so as you can see, you can scroll down. Okay, and you can click over here on join now. You can also check see commission. They are really paying a good commission, guys. As you can see over here, it's up to $115. Just if one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, click over here on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer a few questions over here and you will choose your country and you will choose your language over here. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and you will just follow a few steps and that's all. Okay, it's really easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so go back to Fiverr like this. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, so you click over here on the search and search for chat GPT. Okay, because this is trending service right now. A lot of people are searching for AI tools, so this will be a really good service to be promoted as an affiliate. Okay, so just search for chat GPT, scroll down and you can see you will find a lot of sellers here are providing services about chat GPT. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to choose good seller. Okay, so let me see. I will be your chat GPT for prompt engineer. Okay, so let me see. We need to choose good sellers. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is really interesting. Level 1 seller, he has 5 star. I will click on his service. So just click on his service, he will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools, then click on default and tip links and click over here and put this profile seller link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here and you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, so open a business account on Pinterest, not personal account. You need to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. The sign up process to Pinterest is really super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do is you just need to click over here on home feed, and you should see over here create pin. Okay, click on create pin, and what you need to do now is you need to upload picture about your service here. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller page, and you can just click over here, and you will find his picture. Click on his picture and double click and click on save image and save this. So I'm gonna name it, for example, ChatGPT save. Let's go to Pinterest. We'll upload this picture from my laptop over here like this, and here you go. This is your picture. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here. So this is my affiliate link over here. So you need title and description about your service. Go back to this seller page so you can copy his title and his description, because you are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, put this title over here, go back to his profile page, scroll down about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this part. So for example, just this part to show you. Let's go back to Pinterest. I will put this over here. Okay, like this. Scroll down, click over here on choose board. Okay, if you don't have a board, click over here on create board. You just need to give it a name, and that's it. I already have those, so I'm gonna choose mine over here, Fiverr Affiliate. I will scroll down, and you need to put here tags about this service, so your pin can rank in the first page on Pinterest. So if people who are searching on ChatGPT tools on Pinterest, they will find your pin in the first page, so they can click on your affiliate link and buy this service from you, so you can earn commission. So you should put over here the tags. So go back to this seller page and keep scrolling down. So just scroll down, keep scrolling down. You should see over here related tags. So you can use those tags. I'm gonna copy this one, go back to Pinterest. I will put this tag over here. Then I will go back and I will copy this one over here. So that's how you can put tags. Okay, like this. I'm gonna paste this over here, and what you need to do next, click over here on publish. Okay, like this, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest as a pin. Okay, and people who are searching for AI tools on Pinterest, they can find your pin, this service on Pinterest. If they click and buy this service, you will earn commission. But you should promote a lot of services that are related to AI tools. Okay, so your chance to get commission will be high. Don't promote just one affiliate link and wait. That's it's gonna not working. Okay, you should promote at least try, as if you are new to, if you open a new account on Pinterest, try to promote just like 3 to 5 services per day. Okay, and keep up promoting, so you will get commission. If you keep promoting affiliate services on Pinterest, it's for free. You don't need to invest any money. You can start with $0, and that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.